Hi you guys, I am back with another video and another look, which is another wig I done popped out. And if you want to know how your girl got these curls popping like this in the back, stay tuned and watch, because I will show you how I achieved it. So yeah, this is the wig, you guys, that I made. I'm going to probably post a video on how I made this wig, but for now, let me just show you how I got your girl to be nice and curly. News flash, all this hair is synthetic hair that I use. Well, it's Kanekalon hair, which allows me to curl it with hot water or any type of heat that I choose to use. So I rotted this wig up. After I rotted the whole thing, I actually took the whole wig, the back part of it, and dipped it into some boiling water. I let it sit overnight, and after she dried thoroughly, then I removed the rods from the hair. Now you have to make sure you roll the rods in the right way, or else they're going to kind of mat up when you untangle them. So that is why I pretty much said, no, not this way, but this way. So as I'm going along, when I remove these hair rollers from my hair, this baby will start to pop. These curls is going to be popping, and I'm going to be looking like the diva that I know that I am, okay? So keep watching, enjoy, and look at the picture at the end, and you will see your girl rocking this baby, all right? And yes, if you guys have any questions, put them in the comments down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. And guess what, you guys? This is video number 31. Yes, I made it. Maybe a little day late or whatever, but I made it. Do you understand what I'm saying? I never stopped. I kept persevering, and I got done 31 videos. Maybe not in 31 days, maybe 32 days or whatever, but I got them done. And guess what your word is? Your word is away. A-W-A-Y. So I hope you guys write that down. The word is away. A-W-A-Y. This is video number 31, okay? And guess what? I made it. Oh my God. I am so happy that I made it to the end. Now I am going to post another video on how the contest will be put together, what you guys are going to win. I just need a little bit of time to get everything together, because I want these to air for a little bit, because I know, because I put them out late, some people didn't get a chance to watch them all, and I do want to be fair. So we're going to let this contest run through to the end of the month of February, and then I will be explaining the process of how to receive your gift for whoever wins the contest. I will also be posting another video within a few days of what you actually have to do with all those words that you have been collecting throughout the process. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for following me. Thanks for taking this journey with me. And like I said before, turn on your post notifications, because you want to know what all those words are going to do for you. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much to all my subscribers. Bye.